SurfaceLogix Impregnator CP Breathable Sealer is the best choice for protecting and maintaining a natural look on Chicago brick clay, shellac, and concrete pavers. Impregnator CP imparts hydrophobic properties on the surface to help prevent staining while protecting the substrate's natural color and making the surface easier to clean and maintain. Impregnator CP is a water-based sealer that is an excellent choice for interior and exterior applications. It can be applied to floors inside buildings, driveways, and sidewalks. Independent studies have shown that Impregnator CP outlasts leading brands, enduring weather, wear, and the sun for up to 5 years. The only tools needed to apply Impregnator CP are a tray, 3/8" roller or lamb's wool cover, and a clean white towel. On larger areas, a microfiber mop may be desirable to complete the job more quickly. Before applying Impregnator CP, read the label and understand the instructions completely. Cover areas where you do not want the product, such as edges of homes, landscaping, or sidewalks. Prior to application, the surface should be clean, dry, and free of contaminants or other coatings. When resealing, test an area by dropping water on the surface. If absorbed, the surface can likely be treated again. A small test area is always recommended, especially if the surface has been previously sealed. Apply a small amount of sealer in an inconspicuous area to confirm that you have the desired look. When applying, saturate the surface completely. Any residue that remains on the surface after 5 to 10 minutes must be removed. Do not allow excess or puddled material to dry. Wipe it off with a dry towel. On most substrates, one saturation coat is necessary. After a few hours, the product will repel itself, so another coat should never be applied. Professionals choose SurfaceLogix products for long-lasting results and greater durability. Choose Cobble Impregnator CP for your next sealing project.